Hello everyone, welcome back to TheDollShark. We're gonna do another unboxing, and this time we're gonna do an unboxing of another Dance doll. Yay! Because it's been a while since I did a Dance unboxing, and this time we're gonna do Virtuelle. I've got Miss Royale and I've got Major Lady, so we're now down to number 4, Virtuelle. I can't wait. So in this great box art, you can take this out. I'm not gonna do it, and then you can do like this, and then you have the appearance of a TV screen. I'm so sorry for the glare again. It's always the glare. I got a new lamp, wasn't working, so I had to send it back. So I'm waiting for a new one to arrive. The side it says Virtuelle is really nice. On the other side you have the 4 others. So you have Miss Royale. You have Major Lady, that's Miss Royale, Major Lady is behind there, and then B-Girl, and then we have Virtuelle. So we're gonna, unbox her today. I'm so excited. So I removed the tape and the plastic and the whatnot, so we can go straight ahead and opening her. Look at that. Oh, by the way, it's like 15 surprises. 15 in this box. Who's counting anyway? Look at that. That's good, isn't it? Can I put it like that? Yeah, I can put it like that without it glare too much. Yep. So let us have a look at her. Oh my god, she looks so good. She's looking fine. I think she's so pretty. She is. Oh my god. She is so pretty. Amazing. I really like her. Although this kind of hair, you cannot really brush it. You cannot do like what you can do with different hair, but I still find it really pretty. It's good. It's nice that they, make a different kind of dolls, all with their own thing, like so many different styles. It's good, It's really nice representation of what kind of people are in the world. Thank God there's so many different people. This is really good. We're gonna get her out of the box. So let's go. And this is like this amazing, see. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna put it right here because I don't want to glare too much. So it's not helping, is it? Oh, like that. Oh, good. So we have this. We have a booklet. Okay, booklet. We have fashion pack. We have a box here. Oh, well, that's easy. We have the stands, the stands. Yes. Not the stands, you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna cut the rest loose. I'll be back in a minute. Don't go to So we got this beautiful doll out of her box. Look at her. She is so gorgeous. Let us zoom in for a bit so you can have a better look. Oh, there's something on her face. Sorry, baby. So she has this really cool makeup. You can see that. Really nice purple lipstick. Cute makeup. Her hair, there's a little bit, they're like mixed, they braided it a bit with lighter color pink, so that's really nice. It's really good, really nice. And then her outfit, extra nice buckle here, really cute. And then we go for the shoes. This is such a nice doll, really nice. I like her, really cool. I think she's a really cool doll. I like her. She is gorgeous. So, of course, we have a doll stand. It's a dark gray one. Really nice. And that's like that. Let me make her. Oh, she goes on easy. That's good. It's because there's not a lot of clothing in the middle part of her body. Okay, baby. Hair's like that. Baby, gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Yes, she is. I like her. Really cute. Yep, she's cute. Okay, So we have this brush. It's really neon yellow, really cute, transparent, very nice. I don't think you really need a brush with this hair, but we have it anyway. We just get it. There's no actual shoebox, so there's that. We have this, you know, nice colored jacket. Yeah. Oh, she's one of those. Yeah. Here's this. Oh, wait. Okay, so be careful because inside you have these really cute but tiny earrings, heart shaped, really cute. And then we have the light thing. I keep it in because I have two other dolls and I only use one now for the lighting. And maybe when I'm building the closet where I'm gonna put them in, like I might be able to install a black light in that so I can, you know, see it better, but I'm not sure yet. And then we have these amazing glasses. I think these are my most favorite glasses up until now. Yeah, by far. I like these glasses so much. So sorry. So as you can see now, it's totally cute, totally cool, but it's covering up like 80% of her pretty face. So I'm like, yeah, you know. So I think they're cool, but I'm gonna take them off anyway because I want to see her pretty face like that. So we have the cute glasses, and then we have another fashion pack. So we're gonna see. I know already now what it is because I saw it on the artwork, but anyway. Yep. Did I put it a little bit? Yeah. Oh, that I didn't expect this to be that shiny. Look at that. It's so shiny green. That's cute, isn't it? Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's so shiny. Then we have a pink clove hanger. But this jacket, it will look so good on her. I'm gonna put it on her right away. Don't go nowhere, baby. We're gonna dress up. Come here, baby. Come here. Okay, remove. Oi. These hands are so. As you can see, the hands are not easily. I'm gonna put it back like that. The hands. Oh, I didn't do the makeup, the nails. I was so distracted by her awesomeness. So let us go to the nails. 1 second. Just bear with me for a second. Is this focusing again? What it should be focusing because I zoomed in. Ah yeah, here we go. So these are the nails, really nice nails. Anyway, we were talking about removing the hands. So let us go and remove the hands. Yes, here we go. Whoop. Where's the jacket? Oh, here it is. Otherwise, the pin breaks and bye-bye handy. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Ain't she pretty? Oh, she is. She's so cool. She is cool, is she? Virtuelle. I think she's my favorite dance doll. I think, yeah. I like Major Lady, and I love Miss Royale too, but I think she is the bomb. She is my number one from the dance line. So the earrings were a little bit of a problem, as sometimes they are, but they're in. Be careful with them because they're very fragile. So as you can see, these are the earrings. Pretty cute. Looks really good in her. So now we already have a finished look. It's like going so fast because she's already dressed. So that's make my life easier, but not as much fun as normal. So what do you think of Virtuelle? She's pretty. I like her. She's my favorite dance doll. Although I have to do one more. I have to, where's the other one? Oh, it's on the doll. I still have to do B-Girl, but I cannot imagine that B-Girl's gonna, you know, beat Virtuelle for me. So this is my number one doll from the Dance line. She's so cute. Oh, here we go. Ka-chunk. Hi, I'm dancing. Okay, so we had that. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. It really helps me out. And of course, leave me a comment if you have a question or whatever. And I surely hope to see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.